Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to set up a Ricoh 301 to the network to print. So first of all, you have to press here. Let me see. Yeah, you can see what is going on here. What we're going to do, we're going to say press here. Then we go system settings. Okay, then there we're going to go to timer interface setting. Then we say network. So already I set up my what? IP. You have to set up your IP. This is the IP for the modem. This is the IP you gave to the printer. 192. So what you do, you can go to your PC. You want to help someone, or you can go to your PC. You click here on Windows button. So when you go to Windows button, you look for what they call control panel. Control panel. You click here. Okay. It's a little bit slow, but it's gonna work. It's taking time, guys. And I say, gonna go back. We go to devices and printers. Yes. Oh, yeah, information. Say add. Say add printer. Okay, if you don't find it, you click here and say use IP. Next, say IP. Say 192.168. The other one another day. 168.8.192. I remember that's the IP for the printer. You go next. Let me go confirm it. Yeah, 192. It's fine. Okay. I need to add first. Yeah. Let's see. I don't remember what came here first, but I'm trying to see. It's Canon. Let me see if I can scroll until get Ricoh. You type in Ricoh.
Where are you, Christmas? Where are you?
Ricoh network printer, then say next.
Yeah, next. Where are my jungle?
Yeah, so it's one brand is a lot of money, so you can imagine if you have 10 customers, you say 400, but charge them 500, that means you lost how much? That means we have extra. So where's the extra?
Now, where you are, Christmas, the Ventilana.
Okay. There was no drivers. Okay, since there was no drivers, it's fine. What we're gonna look for? We look for Ricoh. Okay. When you get Ricoh, then we go to the right. So, say classic drivers. Say next. Recommended. This is the recommended one. I'll say 301. Okay. Say next. Okay, and I'm gonna print a sample page. If it works, it's gonna come out. If it doesn't work, okay, you can see it say, even give us this. Let's say next, and we see. Gonna wait for the copy to come out. Let's go to our printers here. This is the one I put, but I think there was some drivers here, which I'm gonna select and say set as default. But anyway, it came out. No, this was not. No, this is not the one. But we're going to try.
The same, the old, yeah.
Ini?
Reggae constituency.
You like that?
Yeah, guys, we're gonna try to print. Okay. Wanna print dots because I don't want to waste. 3 dots, 4 dots. Print. Okay, you can see. This test page failed. Don't worry. I sent another one because the drivers, the one we got, I think they were wrong. So let me see what I printed. What I printed, it came out 100%. You can see the 3 dots there. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.